Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of spacetime. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. 3 years. Not only that, the pre-owned segment of the market is currently growing at a tremendous rate, and will reach up to $32 billion by 2025. A lucrative market for investors. However, because of its luxurious nature, it has been unavailable except to a select few. Chronally, CRNO, is changing that by democratizing and digitizing the market through non-fungible tokens. Let's take a closer look at Chronally. CRNO, the process is simple. A vendor produces and sends a physical watch to Chronally. They receive and authenticate it with a third-party expert authenticator and check against past local and international stolen records. These authenticated watches are stored away in safety depository vaults in different countries. Then Chronally mints NFT tokens carrying the exact details of the watches and fractionalizes them so that they are accessible to the average investor. This information is stored on a blockchain so they are easily trackable throughout their lifespan. Investors can now buy, trade in, and lend against their NFTs on the Chronally marketplace. If they want to redeem the luxury watch out of the vault, they simply have to buy 100% of the NFTs, and Chronally will send the real version of the watch straight to them. Utility tokens and other benefits. So far, the Chronally CRNO token rallied 100% during their pre-sale last week, and is currently trading at 2 cents. It has already caught the attention of many crypto investors, with experts expecting the price to rise significantly before the pre-sale ends over the next 9 days. In the post-Terra Luna crash world, a digital asset backed by a physical one is an attractive investment for anyone in the crypto space, and Chronally offers stability, affordability, and bragging rights, and seems to be the complete package. Withstanding this fact, this raises the issue of whether FRPN can replicate its rival's prior success. Early investors have seen the value of their investments in FRPN more than double in a matter of hours, and this is just the first round of the token presale. There is still plenty of time to invest in the whole presale, which is predicted to grow by more than 1,000% in the next stages. With little over 40 days remaining in the FRPN presale, there is still time for prospective buyers to take advantage of this fantastic deal. The Internet Computer is a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain that seeks to decentralize the cloud computing space currently in place. The token's recent rise could be related to its founder Dominic Williams' ambitious plan to inform the Russian population of the real goings-on in Ukraine. In a Medium post, he outlined a scheme that would incentivize users to watch content about the Russian invasion. For their attention, they would be rewarded in either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Naturally, the Internet Computer would be the primary vehicle on which this plan would be executed. After Filecoin and Internet Computer, VeChain and EOS have also mounted large rises. The VET token powering the VeChain network is currently up nearly 20%, while EOS's eponymous token is enjoying a rise of more than 16% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. And Bitcoin's whopping market share of the entire industry, its rise has been the primary motor behind the wider recovery in the markets. It remains to be seen how long the bulls can maintain control, however. And second news, Gitcoin grants have raised more than $1 million in Ethereum for Ukraine. As the military conflict between Ukraine and Russia continues, WEB3 has stepped up for Ukraine, sending nearly $100 million in crypto donations to the Ukrainian government and NGOs operating in the region, according to Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation. Now Gitcoin, the platform that rewards coders with crypto, is adding its support by hosting a fundraising campaign called GR13. Running from March 9 to March 24, GR13 is a pool of grants under the Gitcoin banner that includes a pool to benefit Ukraine. GR13 is the 13th quadratic funding round Gitcoin has launched, and Gitcoin co-founder Scott Moore tells Deckert it's part of our move to donate to more real-world causes. The Ukraine-specific pull of GR13 has raised just over $1 million lease price and timely rates feasible. A 15% pre-sale allocation of Filecoin (FRPN) will be available on PancakeSwap (PS) and Uniswap (US). As the demand for cross-chain transactions rises, Filecoin (FRPN) looks to be in a great position to gain on other cryptos, while also providing significant value to its holders. Filecoin (FIL) and Tezos (TEZ) are two such currencies that fared very well during their pre-sale (XTZ). When the Filecoin (FIL) pre-sale started in 2017, it had already generated more than $250 million United States dollars. The debut of Filecoin (FIL) was well worth it for investors. It jumped from $11.02 to $28 in 2025. It may reach a maximum value of $109.46. FIL is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. FIL price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. FIL is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average FIL price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, FIL's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. FIL price prediction 2027. FIL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filecoin (FIL) prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filecoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2029. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Filecoin could cross $472.60 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2029. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2029 will be around $407.27. Filecoin price prediction 2030. In 2030, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Filecoin will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $688.60 in 2030. The price ranges will be very trendy, if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $574.82 with a maximum price of $688.60 in 2030.